Today, I'm at Light Plus Building in Frankfurt. It's one of the biggest gatherings in our industry, bringing together lighting manufacturers, access control providers, automation platforms, and some of the biggest building technology companies across Europe and the world. And after meeting with a number of our key partners here today, there is a pattern that has really stood out to me. Our industry is changing and our technology actually gets delivered into buildings. For a long time, hospitality and residential technology was largely built as custom integration projects. An integrator would assemble different systems, program them together, and deliver a one-off solution for them. Perhaps not particularly considered as long-term outcomes for that building. But what is evident on the show floor here for me, and is reflected in my discussions with our partners, is that the market is moving in a different direction. Our operators and our customers, they are no longer just delivering one building. They're delivering typically whole portfolios, multiple hotels, residential properties that span an entire city, or stadiums that are state and countrywide. And that means they need solutions that they need to be repeatable. They need to be easily specified. They need to scale really well. Instead of bespoke integrations, we're starting to see more of our partner products emerge with very specific technologies for those market sectors. Room automation hardware designed specifically for hotel rooms. Cloud access for resident apps that help us make better connectivity. And APIs that allow platforms to work together with each of the integration partners, bringing a specialized piece of that stack. And that's where platforms like Centric sit. Our role isn't to replace those technologies. It's to connect them. It's to create the digital engagement layer that allows that lighting system to be tied in with the access control and the room automation and to benefit guest services or stakeholders within that facility. And all to work together as a singular experience. Because from the perspective of that guest, or the residents in those buildings, the staff that are operating the space, the stakeholders who are investing in the project, they don't experience all those individual systems. They experience the building, or they experience the brand. They experience the guest flow as they go from the beginning of their check-in right through days afterwards. And the buildings we're delivering now are increasingly shaped not just by all those individual pieces of technology inside them, but by how well the ecosystems of the partners, products, are all working together. And what events like Light Building really highlight for me is just how collaborative our partnerships have become. No single company delivers the full experience inside of one building. It is an ecosystem. We're helping our operators and our customers bring together all of their technology partners, all of their services and their brand, and turn them into one coherent experience. The future of our industry isn't just better individual devices, but it's better cohesive approaches to our problems. And it's the collaboration between all those partners that are building them.